Over the past year, I've been wearing the On Cloudsurfer Trail shoe, and I have enjoyed the shoe, and just like any brand, they come out with a new style. Well, they just came out with version 2, and today I wanted just to talk about the difference of the two closer up, talk about sizing and fit, and I have not taken them out, so I can't speak from that experience, but if you wanted to get an idea on sizing and if you have a wide foot, would this work for you, version 2? So we'll talk all about that and more. So let's go ahead and dive on in. So let's talk about version 1 versus version 2 and the improvements. As far as weight-wise, 11.5, they come in right around the same weight. It was like 11.1 for version 2 and 11 ounces for version 1. So very close, at least in this size. Now, as far as the shoe, let's look at the front. You can see the difference on the front there. On the back, there is a difference. You can see how they have redesigned the back, heel, and Achilles area. As far as padding, it feels like it is a little bit more padded on the back on version 2 than version 1, like a softer padding versus here. It's, somewhat soft, but it feels like it's a thicker padding on the back. And again, you could see the difference as far as the design of the heel as well. It seems that where these different holes are, they're very similar as far as that design there. Now, as far as the shoelace, the version 1 is a thinner shoelace than version 2. So some people might like that. They have a different type of pattern for how the shoelaces are, and I think what they've done is they made the version 2 into more of a better fitted shoe. Although I like version 1, it feels like version 2 just fits on the foot a little bit better. It feels a little more sloppy on version 1, so I think there's a nice improvement there. And so again, that is here for the shoelace layout. Now, as far as the material, this was the shoe that I've worn over the past year. This here somehow ripped, so I'm not sure as far as the material if version 2 is going to hold up better, but it feels like it will be harder for the outer part to rip versus version 1. So that's one thing I noticed there. One thing I should show as well, as far as the tongue is a thicker tongue on version 2. So right here you have this softer and thinner area, and then it gets a little bit thicker in the padding on the tongue versus here, this is definitely thicker on the tongue, version 2. So that would be the difference there you could see on the tongue. Those are the things to be aware of. And then as far as the treads, you could see, start at the heel, how that's changed a little bit. And they're supposedly have, which they call their mega grip, I believe is what it is, but the tread looks like they've improved the pattern somehow, which, well, again, I have not had a chance to hike on them. I don't think I will, and I'll explain that why in this video. But the other thing too is, I think with these treads being kind of even still similar with version 2, is the type of terrain that these will work well in is kind of an easier to mid terrain. I think when it gets a little bit more challenging, the problem is, which I have found with these lugs, they're not very thick. And so sometimes I felt like my feet were slipping a little bit. That's one thing I noticed. So as far as sizing, they both are an 11.5 medium. And I had to go down a size compared to the road shoe. As far as the width though, there is a tighter toe box in version 2. So if you have a 2E or 4E, it's not gonna probably work on version 2. My feet really do feel a bit tighter in the toe box and a little bit more discomfort versus version 1. But I will say, in wearing both, it does feel a little bit more sloppier with version 1 versus version 2, but unfortunately the toe box is important for me in that comfort, and especially wearing thinner or thicker socks. If I want to wear a thicker sock, or if I'm going hiking and my feet start swelling up, you want to have that room, and I feel like I'm going to have too much discomfort on the trail shoes. So that is unfortunate for people that have a wider foot. But you could see the toe box and the room that I have for my toe. Again, it's just too narrow in that toe box. So just something for you to be aware of. And again, the version 2 though does feel like overall it fits the foot better versus version 1, but I really do like version 1 still very much. Now, as far as cushioning, I've really enjoyed version 1, but when I put on version 2, you really feel that difference as far as the cushioning. From the ball of your foot to the heel, they've really done a nice job with that cushioning. So I think you're definitely gonna like that. And again, wearing both the version 1 versus version 2, I do feel like version 2 feels warmer on my feet. And these are things that I've noticed in wearing them around the house and comparing the two. So that will give you an idea on the cushioning and sizing. So there you go, version 1 versus version 2. If you end up getting version 2 and you were wearing version 1, leave any comments. Would like to see how you like the improvements of version 2 versus version 1. If there's other questions that I can try and answer, please let me know. But unfortunately, with the narrower feel, I'm gonna stick with the version 1 shoe. All right, have a great day, and I hope you enjoy the upgrade of version 2.